This week I had to read 2 chapters, one on counting and helping kids with numbers, and the other was on geometry. And I'm going to focus on the geometry section because there was a really cool technology link in with it, and it's at the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. And so I'm going to be playing around with the Geoboard and experimenting with that and letting everyone knows how it goes. So here we go! You're looking at the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. This is the link up here to type in to get there, and this is the home screen. To get to the Geoboard link, we're going to go to Geometry. And they break geometry down by grades. So first we have the pre-K through 2. You can see right here there's 2 Geoboard activities that they can go to. And then 3 through 5, and they have 4 Geoboard sections that they can go to for activities. And then 6 through 8 also has 4 activities that they can go to and use the Geoboards. So I'm going to go back up for pre-K through 2, and I'm going to click on this Geoboard right there. And this will bring me to the lovely Geoboard. And as you can see over here on the right, this is the activity that the students would be doing. So it's identifying squares and triangles. And so in order to color the triangle, they would click on it and then click on the green, and then click on the square to color it yellow. And they would finish that up, and they can go to different activities. It's telling me to run my Java. Making a 5-peg triangle, so a triangle that only touches 5 pegs. So they would take their band, and put it down. So I can make a triangle that's 2, 3. Oh, grab the other part of the elastic. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so my triangle isn't right. If I move it over here, it's only it's not a triangle anymore. I'll figure this out. There we go. That's touching 5 pegs. So the triangle only touches 5 pegs. I'll do one more activity on this one. And then, so this one's helping them with measurement. So they want to see, this one has only 4. And so they only want to color these ones. Make sure that they're bold before you click on the color, else it won't work. So only the ones that touch 4. So like, if they did this one, touches more than 4. Okay, so we're going to go back and then go to the 3 through 5 section of the Geoboard. And we can see that's going to be more advanced. Well, that one's actually the same, 5-peg triangle. Christmas tree symmetry, so they have to make the Christmas tree. So this is teaching them about symmetry, making sure that they get the same image on one side as they have on the other side. So you can see this is more advanced from what the 1, 2, 3 more advanced than what the pre-K through kindergartens were learning. And then if it's bold, you can color it like so. I'm going to finish up my Christmas tree here, and then we will go on to the next activity to see what that has them doing. So technology is a good thing to use in the classroom, and this is a good way if you live in Maine like I do, and you have oh, that's why my triangles look weird. And you have the computers in the classroom in the middle school. This is a good thing to do with them. I want to move this because that's wrong. good thing to do with your students, especially if you don't have the geoboards in your classroom. This is a good way to still use them and not have to go and buy them. So this one, you have to find the area of the yellow region, and so they would use this square and fill it in. So like a square would fit here and here, and then they can find out the rest with the triangles. We're going to go back and check out the 6 through 8 Geoboard and just see how that differs also. Oh, it's the same one that they were doing. Some of them overlap. It's good. So one square unit is represented by the gray square. Draw the letter W so that it has 7 square units. So that's more advanced. Create 3 different shapes of a perimeter of 16. So they would take their band, and then I'm going to make a rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's too big. Bring it in some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. Need a square, actually. But yeah, so this is a good resource to use if you don't actually have the geoboards, and it's something kids can take home with them. If they have a computer at home, they can investigate it at home, investigate it at school, and it's a good way to use technology in a way that actually matters. So that's all for today. A reminder of the website is right here.